Hey guys, it's your turn to get a little creative and be a creator yourself. Today we got a writing assignment all connected to our mini lesson. It's time for do it yourself dialogue. I want you to take a look at the comic strip that's included, and I want you guys to look at the characters' faces, look at the situation they're in, and fill in the dialogue in the speech bubbles. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that when you click inside the speech bubble, you'll see it says type here. Make sure when you click inside of it that you go and you backspace and you erase the words type here. Okay. Because if you don't, then your character is going to go type here. What do you got there, Johnny? Type here. I don't know, Jimmy. So make sure you erase type here. Okay. Second thing we need to do is we need to use complete sentences because human beings often talk in complete sentences. Third thing I'm going to challenge you to do is think about the lettering and change some of the font based on what you think they're saying and how they're feeling. So just like in our mini lesson today, sometimes if the character is angry, they may start to yell. And so the words in the speech bubble might get larger. So you can do that by changing the size of the font, which is that little number that appears next to the font name up at the top of the PowerPoint presentation and the little menu bar up there. Okay. And so think about that. All right. And change the font to a style that maybe you feel is necessary, but also readable to the reader, that clearly can be read. All right. So I hope everybody understands that. Instructions will be printed, typed down below me. And you know what? Have a ball with it, guys. I think it's going to be okay.